and I'm going to show you how to change a chain and a sprocket on a sport bike. Alright, now that we have the wheel off, we're getting ready to remove the old sprocket. Alright, now we want to remove the old sprocket. So just get an impact wrench like this, or just a regular wrench. Be a lot easier with that. You can remove it like this. These are rubber spacers in here. Just gives the bike, so when you get torque, it doesn't rip anything out, just gives it a little bit of play. So just leave that in there and then remove it just like this. This is just like a pry bar with a socket on the end. When these are tight and the gun can't do it, it's got to get some leverage.